Hello everybody. Today I would like to talk about 2 points of Master Dong. The 2 points are called Chong and Chong xian. These 2 points are located on the palmar aspect of the hand, where the lung meridians is traveling, is flowing. The points are located, the first one is located 1 tsun below the fold of the first and second metacarpal bone. Okay, 1 tsun below. The name of this point is called Chong zi. Double suns. Chong zi. The other one is located about 1 tsun below Chong zi. Okay, 1 tsun below. Chong zi is 22.01, which is opposite, directly opposite to Da Bai 22.04. And Chong xian, which is 22.02, is located on the opposite side of Lingu, which is 22.05. Okay? So 22.01 and 22.02, those 2 points are on the lung meridian. Therefore, we will choose them to treat any chest issue or any lung disease. The needling is about half tsun till 1 tsun deep, 90 degrees deep. The points are a little bit painful, so it's better to massage the points before needling. So the first one, 22.01, is 1 tsun about below the fold, the skin fold of the first and the second metacarpal. So we can choose the first one to needle, and then I will choose 22.02. So both of the points are located on the lung meridian. The reaction area of those points is the lung. The main functions of those points are to disperse wind, to release the exterior, and to clear and drain the lung qi. We should remember that the lung function in the body is to move the qi. Okay? This is the organ who is responsible for the movement of the qi inside of the meridians. Therefore, the function of these points is to move the lung qi in order to disperse phlegm, to recorrect the lung qi downwards. That is why we can choose them for coughing. It can treat chest oppression, chest pain. We can also even choose those points for common cold, okay, with the different combination, different Master Dong's points. Usually I choose them a lot for bronchitis, for asthma, and for common cold. Other aspect of these points is for chest oppression with palpitation. So these points settle the qi movement in the chest area. And not only the chest, but also the upper back. Therefore, another reason to think about those points is upper back pain, especially between the scapula and the spine. Also, we can choose these points for Taiyang neck problem, neck stiffness, or even occipital pain, cervical spondylosis. And locally, we can think about these points in order to help with difficulty in opening the fingers. For GYN, gynecology issues, I use those points a lot since they work on the chest. I use them for breast issues such as mastitis, when there is an obstruction of milk and pain, and also for breast distension, when usually during PMS, or even I use them for cysts in the breast. The combination of 2201 and 2202 for, let's say, for breast issues can be with Sima. Sima points are the 4 horses points, which are 88, 17, 18, and 19. The Sima points also reflect the chest. They work on the lung and the upper back. So the combination of 2209, 2202 with Sima will direct the treatment to the area of the breast. We can also think, if we have cyst in the breast or mastitis, to add 7705 Sanzong, which are the 3 weights points in the leg. For common cold, using Chong xian and Chong xian, we can also add Dabai and Lingu. Dabai is 2204 and Lingu is 2205 with Mu points. Mu points are 1117. This will be great for runny nose and common cold. For coughing, we can use the 2201 and 2202 with Ren Shi, Di Shi, and Tian Shi, which are 3313, 3314, and 3315. Those points are located 3 tsun, 6 tsun, and 9 tsun above the crest, above lung 9. Those points are great for coughing, to stop coughing. So we can think of 2201 and 2202 with those points, Ren Shi, Di Shi, and Tian Shi, for coughing issues. Let's say bronchitis, let's say even common cold with cough, asthma, etc., etc. So remember to use 2201 and 2202 for any chest, upper back pain, and even a breast distension, breast cysts, mastitis. Those are very effective. And also for children's asthma, we use those points. And if there is a vein, a dark vein, you can choose to bleed it in order to treat children's asthma or any children coughing or common cold diseases. It's also very traditional and very effective. Chong zi and Chong xian. Very effective Master Dong's acupuncture points for lung disease, upper back disease, and also breast disease. We can also think about them for groin pain, but this will be with other points.